What's up, world? Doug here. Welcome back to another video. And I'm late to the party. Go High Level dropped a ton of new updates and changes, I think October 25th or 27th. And I found out about the e-commerce builder and I was super excited, but I did not know how to access it. So I kept trying to find videos online. I couldn't find any way. And people's form builder looked different than mine too. But Go High Level 360, I believe. And I'm gonna go over they didn't cover this in the video, but in the comments they answered the question, so I'm just gonna make a video about it. So to access the e-commerce part, right? Let's start from the agency dashboard. You're gonna go to your sub account, and after you're done going to your sub account, you're going to click on settings, and on the left here, you scroll down to labs, and labs is all the new features. So they have the copy workflow, the new workflow builder, enhanced dashboard. I think these things are new too, but they're not live yet. It tells you when they're live, right? But right here, the new form builder and the well, I guess live meaning live for everyone, but if you're not using the lab, but right here, this brand new website and funnel builder is the one everybody has to do their ecom as well as the new looking stuff. So make sure this is checked on. So I had to check this on. It wasn't checked on. A bunch of these weren't checked on, so I just checked them on anyway. But that's the one that you need. And after that, you're gonna go to your actual payments, products, and start loading your products. So I have some W products here. And in each of these, they have this option that says include an online store. So if you don't include an online store, you're not going to see it obviously in your product listing in your online store. So I just included a few in here for online store. And after they're included in the online store in the products, now you can go to your sites, not funnels, websites. The e-commerce feature is not in funnels, it's in the websites. I'm just going to click this template one and we're going to add the store to the home page, let's say. So now the UI looks all different. It didn't look like this before. Just go back to the other tutorial video I did. It did not look like this. So yeah, you have this new UI going on. It's on the left side now instead of the right side. And under add elements, you have the new store option. So you click on store, add online store, and it's going to add a series of pages to your website. So click add site and then let it load. And boom, this is the product listings or the the product list of what you're seeing, right? And then you can change it, manage the products. This manage product button will just take you back to your products that we were just on, right? And this is just like dummy info. So if this is what it looks like essentially. So it has the image, the price, and the name, right? So if I had 6, it would pull up 6, and then you have multiple pages. So it looks like this, but if you preview it, you can see my 2 things that I turned on, right? And then you can click it and go through the pages, add to cart, view cart, checkout, all that stuff, right? So that's a rundown on the feature. I'm going to make a full feature video on the e-commerce store once I get mine set up. But I just wanted to get this video out really quickly because it was bothering me that I couldn't figure it out. So thank you so much, Go Hello 360, for making a video on it and answering that question in your comment section. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.